Ever heard this advice? Code more, sleep less. Sounds like a badge of honor, right? Let's break down why this hustle culture myth is actually holding you back. This idea came from startup culture, late nights, energy drinks, and pushing out code until 3 a.m. It sounds heroic. But the truth is, many great devs didn't get there by skipping sleep. They got there with consistent learning and rest. Here's the science: when you sleep, your brain organizes what you've learned. Struggling to understand recursion today? Sleep on it. Literally, tomorrow, your brain will be better at recognizing the pattern. When you cut sleep, your cognitive abilities drop. Focus weakens. Bugs increase. You get frustrated faster. And worst of all, you stop enjoying the process. You don't need to code 12 hours a day to grow fast. You need just 1 or 2 hours of focused learning, followed by review and proper rest. New devs should focus on consistent progress, not constant grinding. Build a daily habit. Take breaks. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. Review your code the next day with fresh eyes. Trust me, you'll grow faster, feel better, and actually enjoy the journey. Code more, sleep less is outdated advice. Smart developers sleep. Smart developers grow sustainably. Be one of them. Subscribe for more videos like this.